Fish on. Another catfish. Oh, another fish on. Double.
Got a double. Got a double.
Get it, get it.
Oh, that's a better one. Yeah, this one's the biggest one I caught. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's good. Nikolai, pick him up on this one. Pass me that dead. Oh, yeah, that's a better one right there. He's not massive, but about a pound.
What you doing?
Close.
I caught one channel so far, about 3 pounds.
It's fat.
So I caught one channel about 3 pounds.
He just came up.
That's fine. He was tiny. Got 3 pounds and 11 ounces.
All right, awesome.
Nice catch.
That's the biggest one I've caught off this dock so far. Just since I've been fishing here, it's the biggest one. They've all been cookie cutter, like 1 and 2 pounds.
All right, guys, I'm gonna bow out for a few minutes. I'm gonna move.
You let him get bigger.
Okay, Scotty.